Rice fufu to replace Santana. That will blow your mind.
As a foodie and someone that loves swallow, why not? Let's try it. I've soaked this rice since yesterday. Now look at it. We're going to be putting it inside my Niger blender. Let's try it. See guys, I've tried this before. It did not work at all. I don't know if it's because of my blender or I did not do the right thing. Okay, now we soak this one overnight. Let's try it. But joke apart, good thing is good though. I've been enjoying this my Niger blender. For those of you that are asking for the link, I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section so you can get one for yourself. Because when I mean is the odogu, it is the odogu. It crushed this rice that my previous blender cannot crush. That is giving me Sankasaka Santana. It go call make you be like say you don't know what you do. Is this how it's supposed to be? I think I should add more water and blend it again. To be on the safer side, add water, blend again. These children will not let you do what you want to do. When the time reach for them to they do and now I ain't go there by yourself, they run. Now I never reach the stage. Then they say, let me do it. I help you, mama. Okay, help me. We are done. I pour it inside pot. See the way it's smooth, like I will make. Hey, look at that. It crush your head. You match out for grand. This is Odogu blender. Anyway, let's start turning. After 100 years of turning, I was like, who sent me? Who sent me? What? This is not possible. This is swallow.
Why?
I don't know why.
What?
This is swallow. We'll eat it together.
Popsicles? Popsicles?
It's already lumpy. I said it. I did something wrong in the other one. The devil is a liar. I shall not spoil my rice second time again. I told you guys I tried it before. If not for this video, I come across some media and I have to soak the rice overnight. Then note, it's not all rice you will use. Oh. The first rice I used, it did not even blend in my blender. It did not smooth. It did not have starch. So this very one, they have starch. So mind the kind of rice you use. It disappoints you. No, I don't understand. The rice that was starchy even when I did not put it inside the fire, now it's not losing starch. Okay, it's coming down. This thing can do like magic, eh? At this point, I'm already seeing Santana. I mean that fresh Santana you just wash and bring from the river. Then put it inside the pot, add more water and mix it and start hitting it around. This is what I'm feeling at this point because it's so smooth. Now we add more water, then cut spread it so that everything can cook together. Cover it and let's come back again to open it. OMG. Okay, let's beat it round. When I say my rice shall not waste and my money shall not waste, this rice I've had it at home for a couple of weeks now because my bag of rice is finished and I mistakenly got this one in the market, like all this out this supermarket. Then I cook it once. I don't like it. It was too soft, like it was just creamy as if you pour granola oil inside, soft and starchy. I said no, I will not cook this rice again. Now this is the same rice I am using for this fufu. So you see, I'm not wasting it because I'm supposed to like just throw it away or keep it in. I want to cook red oil rice that will be gummy. But nah, it shall work. Look how starchy it is. Hey. Oh my god, I never knew rice could do this. Look at how shiny it is, just like Santana, fufu, akpu. All the food association, let me know if you're going to be trying this. A lot of us learn on social media why some are here to just have fun. But trust me, you can't be among the ones that are learning. I just learned how to do this on social media.